In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and WooCommerce. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find the multi-vendor marketplace for WooCommerce extension using a simple Google search and the WooCommerce extensions marketplace so you can evaluate it confidently before you install anything on your store. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type WooCommerce and hit Enter. Look for the official result from WooCommerce.com and click through to the site. If you see ads or third-party listings, skip those and choose the official domain. A quick tip: confirm you're on a secure page with the lock icon in your browser and the URL starting with HTTPS. Once you're on the WooCommerce website, navigate to Extensions. This appears in the main menu across the top of the site. If you're already signed into your WooCommerce.com account, you'll still find extensions from the top navigation. If you're not signed in, you can browse just fine. Signing in becomes important later when you're ready to purchase or connect licenses, but for now, we're just locating the product page. On the Extensions Marketplace, use the search field and type Multi-Vendor Marketplace for WooCommerce. Entering the full name helps narrow the results quickly. If you see filters, you can ignore them for now. The search should bring up the dedicated listing. If your results seem broad, double-check your spelling and include for WooCommerce in the search to refine it. From the results, click on the listing titled Multi-Vendor Marketplace for WooCommerce. This opens the product page where you can review everything in one place. Take a moment to scan the overview to confirm it's designed to turn your store into a multi-vendor marketplace, allowing multiple sellers to list and manage their products. Check the compatibility notes to ensure it supports your current WordPress, WooCommerce, and PHP versions. Look at the documentation and screenshots to understand the workflow for vendors and admins, and read through any FAQs for details like commission structures, vendor dashboards, and shipping or tax handling. It's also smart to check the changelog to see how actively the plugin is maintained, and review the support policy to understand what kind of help you'll receive after purchase. Pricing and licensing details will be displayed clearly, so note whether it's a subscription and how many sites are covered. That's it. You've used Google to reach WooCommerce, opened the Extensions Marketplace, searched for Multi-Vendor Marketplace for WooCommerce, and landed on the official product page to evaluate features and compatibility. If it looks like a fit, bookmark the page so you can return later to complete your purchase and installation.